doing open admin. So let's go ahead and exit out of everything over here that we did just a minute ago. Exit. And we'll try to fire this guy up. And we will make a directory for open admin. CD in there. It looks like we are going after 10.10.10.171. So let's go ahead and start up an mmap. Well, let's start up a Ruscan. Well, let's start with a Ruscan. 10.10.10.171. We got port 22 and 80 up so far. All right, let's go ahead and check out that port 80. 10.10.10.171. And we'll head over there and look at that guy real quick. 10.10.10.171. And it looks like we just got a default Ubuntu page. So we try Ferox Buster. I was told that that's better. I do like the little pretty colors. Or Ferox Buster, whatever you want to call it. So we got something with music. Return to 301 though. Soul music, huh? See where that goes. Nowhere. Download now. Doesn't go anywhere. Start free trial. Nowhere. Create account. That doesn't go anywhere. Login. Nowhere. Help. Contact. News. Pages. Category. Playlist. Artist. Nowhere. Blog. Nowhere. Contact. Nowhere. About. Home. Nothing. Try it now. Goes right back up to the top. Our story, right back up to top. Because everything just keeps going right back up to the top. Doesn't really looks like this guy goes anywhere. We got 3.2.1. That's vulnerable. I know that much. Cross-site scripting. Okay. So it doesn't really look like we're getting anywhere with music so far. We also have artwork. Check out that artwork like right there. See if we got anything in there. And we'll just keep, I guess, enumerating this guy right here because the only thing we got so far. Well, we could always enumerate. What is it? Port 22 there. Let's go ahead and do an mmap on that. See if anything's going on with that. Well, seems like a pretty new open SSH. So that guy looks good. So I guess we'll just wait for this scan to finish. Hopefully we get something soon and we'll figure it out from there. Okay. So here's arc work. Not artwork, but arc. Still nothing in here. Okay. Nothing in there also. So let's keep waiting for this guy, I guess. He's doing great. Nothing in there. Nothing with that, okay? Seems to be taking a while, that's all. Still going through. We still got a lot to go through in here. There's a lot of stuff going on with this site, so. Hopefully we get there soon. Guess we'll see. No. I mean, WFuzz is good to. I mean, unless we're looking at the vhost, it's good to do the same thing as what we just did, like right here. It all really just depends on the word list, unless we start to look at vhost. But I don't want to try to look at vhost until this finishes. If we do that, then we're probably just gonna bring the site down with both these things. We have both those guys running. I do like how it looks at everything at once, you know, instead of just one at a time. I like how it's like multi-threaded kind of thing, like right there. I do like that. That's pretty cool. So, also using like one of like the biggest word lists, but that seems to be like a thing on these guys. We are running low. I mean, we still have a lot left, but we're running low. Next, we probably use another word list. Big dot text or Derby 1.0 or some crap like that. Because none of those pages are going anywhere. There was nothing in the source that I saw for any of them. I didn't really look at the source for this one. Contact actually tried to go somewhere on this one, though. Didn't get there, but tried to go somewhere at least. The other one didn't even try to go anywhere. There was a try hack me where you had to go into CSS. It was a long time ago. It said, finally, someone looked at the CSS and they got excited about it. I like it that that's like multi-thread like that. I like that. Because GoBuster pick one, like it would go through and find everything, and then go back through and start over again, and go back through and start over again like that. You know, I do like how it does like a multi-threaded thing here, where it's looking at everything at once. I think that's pretty cool. I don't know how much we're beating up this site. You know, I feel like we're beating up this site a lot, but for something like these guys, like boot to root stuff, it's whatever. But we don't have too much left. So hopefully we find something in here. Contact, it's going to take forever because the site's getting slammed like right now, but I think it was Christy that suggested this one. I was like, all right, we'll try it. And I I do like this little thing over here too. Shows like how much time is left and everything, you know. But I feel like it's not finding anything else new though. Also, I feel like it's just looking at these last ones like right here. So we either A, gonna start playing around on that artwork site, or B, start up another one. So we have the contact, learn more. We just have contact info down here. Info at airdomain.com. Yeah, this isn't really giving us much now, is it? What about blog? Since this site actually semi-worked. Our blog post, see if we get any usernames or anything like that. We don't make SMB or anything like that up and running though. We just have admin. Okay. Can always try to brute force SSH, but that's not always the smartest idea. We might lock it out. We at least want to get some actual usernames first. I'm going to go with admin. It's most likely not a username. And nothing on that guy, like right there. Oh boy. Okay. Let's try Derby big.txt. This one should go a lot faster. But it also finds different stuff. See if we find anything in here. This one also goes alphabetically too. The big.txt goes alphabetically. So if you 2.3 medium does not go alphabetically. It goes like what it sees the most first, then from there. So if you're like looking for like robots.txt, some of that, if you use big.txt, just go in to the site, just type in robots.txt. But the 2.3 medium one would have found that immediately. So don't know if this is call for anything else. Sierra, that's new. So it works a little bit better. Two comments in here for people. Michael Smith is an author. It's more just a blog. Contact page here. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Well, at least we have found something new. Can also try. What's it called? It's called the actual Durbuster one. The actual one that Durbuster actually uses. Directory list. Like when you fire up Durbuster, this just it uses that automatically or whatever. Oh, that's not going to be right. 10, 10, 10, 171. There's a lot of stuff going on in here, on this page. This might take a minute. United Kingdom. Doesn't really look like these guys are actually going anywhere. Look at Sierra image. We looked at JavaScript. No, excuse me. Alright. Nothing to do with images. Just hello at my domain, so no usernames. SMB is also not up and running, so that doesn't help either. We can't like pull usernames off of SMB or anything like that. Jesus. This guy's also saying 30 something minutes. We can't create an account. Goes right back to there. We can't log in. There's no actual login page. This just goes to a bunch of pictures, image, obviously. So I guess time to look through all these pictures, see if we find anything. They give us any information. Sierra, image blog, image premium. I mean, those are all just images, though. All gonna be like here. Huh. This guy ain't going nowhere, huh? No, this guy's done down here. He should be doing a lot better up there. Everyone seems to be finding music. Maybe use Zap. Zap might be able to find something, huh? Crawl the website with Zap, maybe? Try to get pointed in the right direction here. For, what was it again? 10, 10, 10, 171? Let Zap do his thing for a minute. Ah, yes, yes, found 10, 10, 10, 171. Good job. You're doing great. What's going on with Zap here? Just images. These guys are taking a minute to load also. Not really the quickest loading. This probably isn't helping. So I'll say it's going to take 20 something minutes. See if there's anything in sitemap. Now, this is very exciting, I know. Very exciting stuff like right here. Nothing. Okay. Nothing in site map. Okay. He's not finding anything. Fine, pattern was used. It just looks like it's bold. We'll go with that, looks like. One of those boxes that you start this thing up, get up, walk away, make some food, come back, make some more food. That didn't find anything. It's kind of crazy. Try to spider it. See if we get anything out of there. Nothing. So we can't find anything. Whoa, what the fuck was that? That one said Ona. One that we just closed said Ona. What the hell is Ona? Where do we ever even find Ona? No, you said Ona. Yeah. What is that? ONA. Do you exist, Ona? Ona exists. How the hell do we get Ona on here? What do we click on to get to there? Oh shit. Okay, so ONA, OpenNet admin. How the fuck do we even get to ONA? Like, how did we get here? What in the flying hell? Okay, okay. I'll take it. Version 18.1.1. OpenNet admin. We have a version now. Search exploit OpenNet admin. 18.1.1. Remote code execution. Let's take it. We also have command injection. We have remote code execution, command injection. Let's go ahead and search exploit. Tech M, that guy like right there. And let's go ahead and cat 47691. It's just a bash script, so nothing crazy here. URL. Okay. While true, do echo and read command. So what? I just give it the URL. Looks like I just do a little change mode plus X for that guy. For that guy like right there. Let's go ahead and stop this over here. This thing's killing it. Okay. So I do a change mode plus X for that guy, and then I give it the URL 10.10.10.171. Then we give it a command. Like, who am I? Oh, whoopsie daisy. How did we get there? I have no idea. I was deleting everything up there, and all of a sudden it said ONA. I was deleting everything up here, like all like the different crap that I went to, and then it just said ONA, and I was like, "What the fuck is an ONA?" As I was removing everything. Let's see here. Let's see if any of them would have even found it. Cat. User share word list. Durbuster. Directory. 1.0.text. Rep for ONA. I don't know if anything even would have found that. We clicked on something and it opened up that guy. When we were just clicking around on everything, we did something and it opened up this ONA thing. Yeah, the only thing it has is ONAs. Let's try to look at Derby, big.text. This one did find it. And nothing else would have ever even found this. How the hell were we supposed to find that site? Okay. Stop this guy. We have some type of remote code execution here. I don't really know how to use this bash script though. This bash script's kind of confusing. But we found this ONA site. We were just clicking around like crazy. We found that. I don't even know how we even found it. That is dumb. ONA as an analytical thing? As in net, it's not even, doesn't make sense because it's OpenNet. Oh, OpenNet admin. So we have a search exploit for it. We can do search exploit, OpenNet admin, and we have command injection on 18.1.1 remote code execution. Try and get this remote code execution one to work. It looks like I'm supposed to put in a URL, right? And then from here, while true do, it's supposed to read a command. And then it's supposed to curl it, right? Yeah, p address, echo, begin command, which I gave it. So yeah, give it the URL. I wonder if I just actually just run this, like // And then if I just type in HTTP 10.10.10.171, and I do who am I? Yeah, no. So I don't really know how this command's working like right here. So we also tried it like this. Do I need to do like a URL equals? Then like command equals or something like that? Or if we could just open it up and add in the URL there. Read command. I need to do like a command equals. Yeah, URL is argument 1. Yeah, and it wasn't taking that really. So what if we just put the URL in there and then just say, who am I? That's kind of what I thought. Yeah, URL is... See, if I just run it, it just does that. If I put in, do I say like command or URL equals? Yeah. Okay, so maybe do escape those special characters. Maybe like that, like right there. You know, we do have another thing that we can do for this also. There is another one. So you want to do a search for open net admin. Yep. U0. Show options. Set our L host to ourselves. Set our R host to 10.10.10.171. Run that, I guess. Oh, no, you good. When I run it, is ono login.php even a thing? It is. Okay, admin worked. That was easy. Easy day. And we're getting the same thing that we did before, huh? So we know we have remote code execution, pretty sure, right? And now, what if I have to actually? Okay, hold up. Hey, let's use our brains here. Period slash for whatever it is, right? HTTP 10 171 slash ONA. Okay, let's try slash ONA slash. Okay, let's go. So we're in there now, right? So we got in with that. Okay, cool. Let's actually use our brains for a second. CD into home. I can't go anywhere. Okay, I can't do anything in here. I can't go anywhere. Can we cat login.php? Can we cat anything? So we got in. But you know what else? Let's go ahead and set the URI to just ONA, the target URI. For over here on this one. Because that's how we got into that one over there. That's how we got into this guy over here. So we could kind of do the same exact concept. We can't get anywhere here. We may actually be able to maybe upload an actual reverse shell, like a PHP reverse shell, and then go from there. You know what I'm saying? Because it's definitely running PHP. So what if we got to do something like that? Because we can't move around this file system right now. But where are we? Opt ONA www. So we probably have to get into ONA. Yeah, because login.php was over here. Because we could go to ONA login.php, right? We could do that, right? Then we can go to admin. And we got in like that. So we should technically be able to locate a PHP reverse shell. Copy that over here. Let's go ahead and do a shell.php. And let's grab my IP address. Nano shell.php. I'm really surprised that Metasploit one is not working. Netcat LVMP on port 53. And start up a web server. Let's go ahead and do a wget. Can we do that? So we now have shell.php here, right? And we're listening. So we should be able to go ONA slash shell.php. We should get a callback, and we do. So now we should be able to move around directories, right? Okay, we can. Cool. I thought it was going to be a Windows machine. It's not prepared for this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a full shell. Wow, this thing's running Python 3. This is an older box. I was kind of a little bit amazed by that. Okay, so we got that guy right. So let's go ahead and move this guy way over here. Oops. Okay. Export term equals X term. STTY rows is going to be 22. Columns is 124. All right. The limitation they have with user ID is still present in a web shell. Still doing Dante? Yeah, we're doing the Dante boxes, yeah. Just the boxes. What was that? The limitation that you have with this user ID will still be present in a web shell. No, they shouldn't. I think it was just this uplink right here was all jacked up. That's all. Let's say it shouldn't still be present. I kind of want to see if that'll just work. I don't know what we'll get into as it, but all right. So now we have a full shell. Let's go ahead and do a go ahead and cat like SUID scripts, so we can get rid of this up here. Cat scripts SUID lookup. Even though we're only www data, we probably gotta move into somebody else first. But let's go ahead and see what we're allowed to do. If we're allowed to do anything in here. Jeez Louise. Okay. We're just gonna be looking at this pile like right here. Not seeing anything that's jumping out at me. Okay, not seeing anything that's really jumping out at me like right there. Probably CD into, what was it? It was var ona, right? Or was it Etsy ona? Can we locate ona? Opt ona, okay. So let's go ahead and CD into slash opt ona. And let's look at the config file maybe. See if there's anything for a database in here. I don't know where the config file is at for this guy, so. This doesn't look like it though. Now I just gotta try to find the config file for ONA. Maybe config DNLD, maybe it's that one. No, not really looking like what I want here. Optona Etsy. Is there an FC file? Okay, there is. That's just a README. That's not real. I don't think it is, at least. Okay. We need to figure out where the hell this thing's at. Huh. .3306 is on here. Want to make sure that we actually are running a database, which we are. What's up, No Nothing? How you doing? CD into, I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, nothing in priv. Let's cat like Etsy cron tabs. Nothing in there. Okay. Where would the MySQL configuration be? You know what I'm saying? We need to find the config location for MySQL configuration. Opt ona. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Select F. Thank you very much. Huh. Where would a config file be at? Well, there's a C folder called config. Is that config.php? Database settings. There's an SQL. Yeah, the SQL one though, it just it said host, but I don't think that's most likely just going to be like literally actual domain name host. I would think. Could be possible that the README file is something useful. May sound silly, but yeah, that's true. Alright. That's what I was looking for. This config file like right here. That's exactly what I was looking for. So we have own-assist, database password is this. So let's go and do a MySQL. This is what I've been looking for like right here. MySQL, TAC-U, own-assist, whoops, TAC-P. There we go. Show databases. Let's see if we can get someone else's password. And see if there was a password reuse anywhere. Use own a default. Show tables. Users, select star from users. We got a guest and an admin. Huh. Okay. Well, admin should already be admin. I think we already know that, right? Let's go ahead and okay, so yep, admin is admin. It's raw MD5. Well, I mean, it labels it as an easy box, but the users have rated it as more of a medium box. For open admin, a lot of people are saying it's very medium, so I would go off more of what the user rating is. We got host. Select star from host. But I feel like this is going to be more like domain name server stuff. Okay, nothing in there. VLANs, don't care unless we're going to be doing some type of VLAN stuff. Whoops. Can't do that in there. We'll figure that out in a second. Groups, domains. The thing I really care about is users, like right there. That's about it. We do have a password. We could try that password and just shoot it across for both people. We have admin, and we also have that weird one up here. This guy right here, Ninja Warrior. If there's a password reuse, then let's go ahead and do a nano pass.text. Going to exit out of here. Cat etc password grep /bin sh bin bash. So we got Jimmy and Jonah that are able to log in, right? Let's go ahead and do a nano user.text. We got root, Jimmy, Joanna. And we can go ahead and do a Hydra, tech L, user.text, tech P, we'll say pass.text, that password is super confusing. SSH into 10.10.10.171. We'll see if there's any type of password reuse, and we'll go from there. It's 171, right? Wasn't that the IP address? Yep, okay. There was. Okay, we got password reuse. SSH into Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy. 10.10.10.171. My brother's friend used to have a Jimmy, right? The vehicle, right? And his mom, it broke down at one point. His mom was talking to my brother and I. I was young, so I didn't know. My brother kept laughing, but, you know, I think I was old enough to kind of understand. My brother's 5 years older than me, right? So I was like 12, probably. He was probably like 17 or something like that. Or maybe I was like 11, he was 16 or something like that, right? And his buddy, his friend, you know, his Jimmy, the vehicle, right, broke down. And his mom's talking to my brother about it. I forgot what his name was. It was like, you know, Brian or something like that. She said, yeah, Brian's been having a lot of problems with his Jimmy lately. And my brother's just laughing. Just, is he really now? Let's go into sudo tech L. We'll throw that in there. Okay, he cannot run sudo. Looks like we also still don't have any type of flag here. Let's try CD into Joanna. Can we CD into her? No, we cannot. So we're still pretty lost so far. Let's go ahead and exit out of here. We'll do a cat scripts SUID lookup. You should install the updates for them? No. The updates for what? What do you mean? Why did I just do that? Why? Literally, that made no sense what I just did. Alright, so let's see what he has. Nothing's jumping out at me in here. This one's taking a minute, huh? These guys are not messing around, are they? Alright, he's part of the internal group, which is obviously a homemade group there, right? It's not a real group like right there, so he's obviously part of that. So sorry, let's get some white in here. Yeah, but I can only do PXEXEC only works with what is it? That only works with sudo, not SUID bits. See? It only works with sudo, and I can't run sudo on this box. We are internal, though, so we can locate internal. We're part of an internal group. Not seeing anything for that. It's internal. Home doing blah blah. Okay. Open admin trusted. I can mess with that too, can I? Also, yes, I can. Okay. So can we just run that? Or where's this going? Oh, this is going to main.php under what site? Internal. Don't forget your ninja password. So this is obviously running on an internal site then. This guy? Is that what he's running on? 52846? Jimmy has a private SSH key on that. Joanna has her private key on here. And it says internal, so I'm wondering, and we can't get to it from outside, so I'm thinking we're going to have to look at this guy like right here. So can we use curl 127.0.0.1 / main.php? We can. Okay, so we have Joanna's key. It said, don't forget your ninja secret. So that's probably the passphrase I'm thinking. Or we got to try to crack it, one of two. Let's go ahead and do a nano ID RSA. See if we do anything with that. Yeah, before I go into it, I'll change mode it. But we need the passphrase. But it does say, don't forget your ninja password. So that might be the passphrase like right there. I'm trying to see if we can crack it and get the passphrase out of it. Because so far, nothing has really made sense in this box. So we could always try to do change mode 600 ID RSA. And we could just try to get into it now. SSH tech I ID RSA JOANNA, right? What was her name? JOANNA at 10.10.10.171. And is it Ninja? We need to crack that thing first. Okay. Might have to actually bring it over to SSH to John, huh? Oh my God, is it freaking messed up? Oh, this pre's probably messed it up like right there, huh? Because I know that if like these, like if certain things aren't like the right place and stuff like that, like there's like a space between here, you're screwed. Or if there's like not enough dashes, you're screwed. Okay, cool. So now let's go ahead and do a John ID RSA. Word list equals user share word list rocky.txt. We'll try that like right there. I don't think I ever put John in here, but I do have cracking in here. I still have password cracking here somewhere, I think. Decrypt, there we go. We'll do John the Ripper, and we'll do SSH to John. So that cracked as blood ninjas. Oh, fancy. Fancy. Yeah, I copied it pre. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a SSH tech I IDRSA Joanna with blood ninjas. So fancy. There we go. So now we're Joanna. We got in with her SSH key, so we still don't have her password. See if she can run anything without. Okay, thank God. Bin nano against opt priv. Let's go ahead and cd into opt. There's priv. Okay. We should be able to do something with nano though. I think we can actually just do this like right here. No, that's not it. Might be this guy like right here. Okay, so we can definitely do something with that. It's running as root. Can we change mode to be executable? We'll still run as root. It shouldn't run as root if we change mode to be executable. The control tac T. Is that what it is? Control T is a spell check. Oh, you want to know why? It's actually telling us what to do. Control R, Control X. That's why. Control R, Control X. Man, execute. It's actually telling us exactly what to do. There we go. We're root. There we go. Cool. So we got root.txt, we got user.txt. So let's go ahead and grab those. And we'll throw them in here, and we will be done with that guy. Let's go! That one was not easy. That one was, I would say to get in, that was definitely like a 5 just to get in, because that was pure freaking luck just to get into the freaking thing. I have to actually cat that root.txt again. Yeah, just to get into the thing was pure luck. And then to increase our privileges, I would say is another 5. I'll say that was also me. I mean, we went from WWE data to John to Joanna to finally be able to get to root. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of lateral movement there. Real life applicable, I was saying in the beginning. Yeah, I mean, that's a real life application. So, common vulnerabilities. Numeration, definitely like a 7 because we couldn't even find the damn website. Alright, cool. So we will... That was a good one.